Good morning, students. It's a 16th of May 2020, 8th class English lecture, second chapter of our supplementary book Children at Work from page number 11, third paragraph. See that big building with the wall around it. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there. These wordings are said by Jaya to Value. She was pointing towards the big building with the walls around it and saying to Value, if you are not careful, then you will soon be in jail. The girl grinned. Grinned means smiled broadly and pointed out at a huge building. That huge building was a jail. Valu squinted and read the Tamil sign that was written Central Jail. It means Valu can read and write Tamil language, but he couldn't read English language. Why? I haven't done anything wrong. Then Valu replied that, why do they put me in the jail? He hadn't done anything wrong. You don't have to do anything, just don't get caught. That's all. Then Jaya replied that means police do not like rag pickers. If police watch rag pickers, then they put the rag pickers into the jail. What does she mean? Valu wondered. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station. Valu wondered why the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. Means Jaya was keeping a bag full of plastic cups in it and going towards and heading down the bridge. Where are you carrying in that? What are you carrying in that bag? Things, bottles, papers. Valu wondered what she was doing with them. Valu wondered why the girl named Jaya was collecting that plastic bottle, paper, cup, but he felt shy to ask any more questions. Valu was watching that Jaya was collecting garbage, but he was feeling hesitation to ask from Jaya why she was collecting those type of material into her bag. It was still morning, but the sun blasted down on the tar and Valu bare feet burned. Means there was very hot in that morning and Valu bare feet. Valu had no shoes or slippers into her feet. It was not like walking on a mud road. Means he was not walking on a mud road. He was walking on a road that was burning with hot. That road was very hot. And he was soaked with sweat. पसीने से भरा जा रहा है because he tried hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl the same time. Means at that time Valu was following Jaya. She walked really fast. How far away was the food? Means Valu was following Jaya for getting some food. At that time he was waiting ki how far the food was. After almost an hour of walking, they stopped in front of a big building. Shri Raj Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyanan Mandapam. Read value slowly. A sign with letters made of flowers said groom. Groom JV Vinayagan, bride Rani. Value stared at the big cars parked outside. One of the cars had a flower garland and roses tapped on it. The girl looked around and pulled off quickly and stuck it in her hair. Come on, she said. At that time, after walking distance of 1 hour, they stopped in front of the marriage palace named this and this, and groom name JV Vinayagan and bride name Rani. Velu stared at the big cars. Velu was watching the big cars that was parking outside. One of the cars had a flower garlands, roses tapped on one of the car, and the girl looked around and pull one off. Pull off क्या होता है? उतारना. And उसने चुपके से जल्दी से, कोई नहीं देख रहा, एक फूल को तोड़ा और अपने बालों में लगा लिया. Come on, she said. Are we going to eat there? Asked Velu, looking at the huge wall and people inside. Now, Velu was hoping that he would get some food there. Page number 12. Hopes, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. She led him behind the hole. Then they went behind the hole. There was a big garbage bin that was overflowing with rubbish. Here they saw a big garbage bin. 2 goats were also standing on the garbage pile, fighting for a banana leaf. There on the garbage bin there were 2 goats that were fighting for getting the banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. जहाँ कूड़ा होता है वहाँ क्या होती है? मक्खियाँ, मच्छर हैं. Cloud of flies means a group of flies that were buzzed around their legs. There was a rotten smell in the air. रोटन स्मेल, रोटन मतलब बदबू वाली स्मेल, अच्छी स्मेल नहीं थी, फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं थी, गंदी स्मेल आ रही थी क्योंकि वहां पर देयर वाज अ पाइल ऑफ गार्बेज. द गर्ल पिक्ड अप एट दैट फ्रॉम दैट गार्बेज बीन, गर्ल पिक्ड अप अ स्क्वैशी बनाना and held it out to Value. The girl picked up a banana from that bean and gave it to Value for eating. Here is your food. Value was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? Leftovers means किसी का बचा हुआ खाना. क्या हम यहाँ पर मैरिज हॉल के बिहाइंड में इनका बचा हुआ खाना खाने के लिए आए हैं? She, what do you think I am? A dog? Are you thinking I am a dog? I only take untouched food. Here, some more catch. She threw with a vada. Value looked at it with distaste. Come on, hero, eat it. You think I like it? I told you I will find you something to eat. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. Then Jaya said that she had promised Value to give some for eating, but she had no money to purchase untouched food for Value, so she arranged food from the garbage bins, leftover food from marriage hall for Value. Value firstly hesitated to get that type of food, but his stomach squeezed him again. He gulped down, means he swallowed down the banana and vada. His stomach felt better immediately. He could have eaten at least 10 times more, means he could eat 10 bananas and 10 vadas, but the girl could find only one more banana which she ate herself. Okay students, now we will come to the next page in next video.